I'm Tiffany Michelle here at the 888 Poker Live London Festival, and as always, we try to include charity events. We're here in London, so what better thing to do than to bring some footballers down to the casino, have a charity tournament. Will you tell me, Marvin, about the Fresh Ego Kid Foundation charity?
Well, what we've tried to do is basically get a few friends of the brand together and play a poker match. We, as a brand, we want to give back. We've started something called the Barbershop, and that's something for football players to come on and talk about issues in football, like racism in football. We've got to look at things to try to give back to grassroots football, and we sponsor kids football as well, so we're trying to do a lot to give back.
Well, what better way than to do that at the poker tables, a little friendly competition. Are you ready to play?
This is not friendly. I want to win.
I'm a humble man, so we'll see what cards I get, but I'm quietly confident, and especially I want to take out the boy over there. You know, the one in the hat there that's hiding his high hairline. My teammate, I want to take him out. As long as I can do that, then I'm going to be happy.
Nah, I got no smack talk. I'm here to win, but yeah, see what happens.
I'm the man to beat, basically.
There you go.
I am the man to beat.
Even if it wasn't true, that's like the right thing to do is confidence and like psych out your opponents.
Obviously.
If Marvin goes out, there's going to be a lot of people jumping up and down. So yeah, hopefully it's Marv.
It's very short-lived, to be honest. It's good fun. I got unlucky, to be honest. The viewers, if they see it. But all I can do is get it in good, right?
You're the reigning champ. How's it feel to be out?
It's a bit of a blow, but you know, she's running unbelievable. So she's just won another hand there. She's taken 2 people out, so fair play. I hope she goes on and wins it now. But it's good to be back, obviously.